everyone, and welcome to this week's Monday Wrap. I'm Casey Healy, Director at Century 21, and I'm here as always with Nicole, our BDM Investor Consultant. So what did we see over the weekend?
So we had 3 opens on the weekend. Now our numbers were probably down on a couple of them, both the Loom on Honeysuckle and also Watt Street.
Still, that unit market is still just that little bit tough. We're not seeing great numbers of inquiries and great numbers of people through the property. But when we had the house 87
Blue Gum Road, we had 13 groups through that property. So I've got numerous applications on that property that I'm working through at the moment. So at this stage, I'm not going to run another open until I have a look at these
applications that we're quite confident will get away.
Absolutely.
Really well done by Nicole on this one. So when Nicole appraised this property, we sat down and we spoke with the landlord about what rent we were hoping to achieve from the property. And knowing how the investment market is and how many tenants we're having through properties at the moment, another agent quoted $500 per week to list this property and said, you won't get any more than $500. Now, knowing our market in our area, we knew that the property would achieve a little bit more than that. So we listed at $550 per week. So 13 people through the property after the first open house means that we know our market and we have listed it right. And the owner, by listing at this price, he's going to make an extra over $2,500 a year from this property.
Yeah. So, and this was completely renovated. They pretty much gutted this house. Throughout.
It's really lovely, really central location. And he's a builder, so he's put some nice touches on it, which is good.
Yeah, it's good. But I do have some upcoming properties coming.
So
we have, I've got one at Engle Street, Wallsend, that I'm heading there this afternoon to take marketing photos. So that will be online either tonight or first thing in the morning. We've got that, so I'll schedule an open for there as soon as we can, potentially this week. Yeah. I have another one too at 28 Waratah Street, Mayfield. So this has been going through some improvements within the house, internally painted throughout, bathroom, getting like a little bit of renovation, new kitchen. And I think I'll be ready by the end of this week. Oh, it's got a new roof too. So the owner replaced the roof, which is great. I'll be there at the end of this week to get some marketing photos. Currabong Drive, 1 and 9 and 2 of 9. I've spoken about these before, but I'm pretty sure second inspection's happening today, so they'll get...
That's the PCI inspection, so handover from the builder. We're still waiting on there.
Yeah, so that'll get listed this week, definitely.
Nice. So that's, well, at least, those properties. So if you are interested and you are looking for a property, you really need to talk to us and register your interest to attend inspections to be updated when we are going to have those inspection times, because there is so many people out there leasing in the market. You've really got to be proactive to find a property, to secure a property. So over the last 30 days, we've leased 19 properties. Still not as many as we'd usually lease. That's because we're still sitting at a 0% vacancy rate. So we have not one property other than new business that's sitting there vacant at the moment. So that's pretty exciting for us. 100% of those 19 properties were leased at the asking price. From that, we received 464 inquiries. We had 27 inspections, 144 tenants inspected the properties, and we received 169 applications. So average rent for the properties leased was $529 per week. So rental market still on fire, and I don't think it's going to slow down. We're coming into spring now, or spring tomorrow, first day, isn't it? Tomorrow. So things are just going to keep ramping up between now and Christmas. I don't think we're going to slow down at all. Watch our socials this week. There's a new video me and Nick shot in relation for investors, land to asset ratio. So really good one about understanding your investment strategy. So keep an eye out for that one. Good news, we actually leased 106 Dragonfly at Chisholm this week. We leased it prior to the first inspection, obviously through our database of qualified tenants that we've already got pre-approval on that we've been working with. And we leased that one for $30 extra per week. So that landlord's going to make an extra $1,500 a month a year off his property by just really maximising his return, understanding the market and working with these pre-approved tenants that we've got on our files. So if your property isn't leased, if you're not having good inquiry, if your agent's not keeping up to date with you, or you just want someone that is really proactive, that understands the market, we're here to help. We're happy to have any chats. Just give us a call and we can advise in what's best and what works for you. So I'm Casey Healy.
And I'm Nicole Hall.
Look forward to talking to you next.